We are tired of the war with Iran. Iran has caused us a lot of damage. They have humiliated us across the world. And when it comes to stopping the war,
our bases around the world have been burned to the ground. This is humiliation for America. Mr. President, what's the next step? We need to de-escalate this. We must stop this war. Agreed, let's end this. In the war with Iran, not a single country stood with us. We were left to suffer the losses alone. It was truly unfair what happened to us. We must now discuss ending this conflict. In Iran's war, no country stood with us. We stood alone, suffering the losses. Truly a great injustice was done to us. And while we speak of this, we must discuss ending the war. The whole world is secretly helping Iran. We thought Iran was isolated, but we were trained. We must stop this war before it escalates. Mr. President, our intelligence confirms it. We need a diplomatic solution. I agree.
Every citizen of America has started to dislike us. We have destroyed our own respect in America.
Regret. We feel very regretful about our own follies.
And while saying anything else about stopping the war,